Digital buffet tags offer significant benefits for restaurants, saving staff up to 2 hours daily by eliminating the need to manually print and replace tags multiple times a day. Beyond time savings, these tags prevent inconsistencies and human errors that have previously affected prestigious hotel chains. Additionally, current FSSAI guidelines emphasize displaying allergen and nutritional details for each dish, a complex task that Sparsa's digital buffet tags simplify. Our solution enhances the buffet experience for your guests while addressing these operational challenges. This video demonstrates how easily you can update hundreds of tags in seconds using the Sparsa platform, significantly minimizing errors through a simple 5-step process. 1. Map each tag to a specific counter. For example, tag 101 for the non-veg salad counter and tag 202 for the chicken gravy counter. We will assist with this one-time setup. 2. Finalize your buffet tag design or layout. Choose a single layout or multiple, deciding which elements, such as your brand logo, remain static and which are dynamic. We will help build and maintain this throughout the year. 3. Prepare your menu in Excel format. Include essential details like dish name, veg, non-veg status, nutritional values, ingredients, and highlighted allergens. Example, mustard, sesame, fish, nuts, and peanuts. 4. Copy and paste the daily menu. Once your kitchen finalizes the menu, transfer it from your master sheet to a dated and meal-specific sheet for easy reconciliation. 5. Upload the Excel file to your dashboard. The tags will auto-update within minutes, and your buffet will be ready for service. Runs on 2CR2450 batteries with up to 5 years of backup and operates reliably from 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Our customized tags also feature jackets with a manual toggle. A full-color buffet tag is also available. Setup requirements. Tags on each counter. 1 access point connecting to all tags within 30 meters. Network connectivity, Wi-Fi or LAN. Please note, a manual mode is available. If internet connectivity is an issue, you can update buffet tags in seconds using NFC-enabled phones with our application. We offer choices to ensure seamless operation. Additionally, jacket colors, fonts, and languages are fully customizable.